We're gonna learn in this video how you can create Google Forms. Firstly, you're gonna go to the link in description. You'll get this page here for Google Forms. You can find several templates here by clicking on template gallery, or you can create a new form by clicking on blank form. At the top, you're just gonna click on this untitled form and give it a name. Suppose student feedback form. Below it, you can add a description. For example, instructions. Now click on plus icon on the right toolbar to add a question. You can select the question type from the drop-down arrow, short answer, multiple choice, check boxes, drop-down, etc. Now write the question. Let me select the multiple choices for now. And you're gonna edit the choices. To add more options for the multiple choice questions, you can click on add option and edit this as well. You can also add image, or you can even bring the video option, but it's completely optional. To add more questions, scroll down and edit this question here. You can edit the options just like before. Let's go up. Now in order to customize the theme, click on the palette icon at the top. Here you can change header image or customize the background color and also the font style. Yeah, close it. Once you have completed the Google form, click on settings. You can click on responses here and choose to collect the email addresses or do not collect. However, these settings are optional. Scroll down, come to presentation. You can enable the show progress bar. Once you have changed and saved the settings, click on preview button. It gives you a preview of how your Google form looks like. Now you can publish this. Make sure to choose this option here, anyone with the link, and then publish. Once you publish the Google form, click on this icon here to copy the responder link. Copy, and you can give this link to your friends or any groups. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel.